Happy birthday, son.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, guys. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's 2 VHS tapes. Doc Hollywood starring Michael J. Fox, Julie Warner, and Woody Harrelson. 2 big thumbs up from Siskel and Ebert. A Family Thing starring Robert Duvall and James Earl Jones. 2 brothers are about to discover what's been missing in their lives, each other.
Jesse, I got this at a garage sale.
Thanks, Grandma. I wonder what this is. Wait, it's a remote control?
The man that sold it to me warned me about a couple things. You might not like this.
It is, I think it will come in handy.
When you're around the people that you don't want to listen to, you can just...
I never had a remote control.
Wow, well thanks, Grandma. I'll try to make good use of this. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday,
Jesse.
Hey, Andy.
Oh, hi, Jesse. Happy birthday.
Thanks, man. Look what I got.
Wow, Doc Hollywood and a Family Thing?
Family Thing, yeah.
Those are like 2 of my favorite movies.
Yeah. Yeah, this remote that I got from my grandma is amazing. It does all kinds of special effects. Like, check this out.
Jesse, I know it's your birthday, but I'm really busy and I don't have time to talk to you because I have to walk my dog.
Oh, I can help you with that with my remote.
Thanks, Jesse.
Hey, Rich, how's it going?
Oh, hey, Jesse, happy birthday,
Oh, thanks. Yeah, look what I got for my birthday. I got 2 movies on VHS, Doc Hollywood and A Family Thing.
Dude, I dig that flick.
It's really good. I also got this remote control that can do a lot of cool things.
Wow, that's cool. Where'd you get it from?
My grandma.
Awesome.
She got it at a garage sale.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, Jesse, dude, I'd love to sit and talk to you. I'm working on the van, but I also got to go get a spray can.
Oh.
You know, I'm trying to look a little bit more summery and all.
I think I might be able to help you with that.
Okay.
Just let me try this.
Dude! This is the best spray tan I've ever had before!
Hey, what's up, Mike?
Jess, what's up?
How's it going?
Happy birthday.
Oh, thanks. Look what I got. I got these 2 movies on VHS, A Family Thing with Robert Duvall and James Earl Jones. Doc Hollywood with Michael J. Fox.
Seen it?
I also got this remote from my grandma. It does all kinds of crazy things. But sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. Do you want to play me something?
Got a tune for you.
Okay, let's hear it. I might be able to help you with that. Let me just try something here. Fresh and thought-provoking, said Rex Reed of the New York Observer. What do I really want for my birthday? I've got all these great friends. I love dance. I wonder if there's a function. Oh my God.